Welcome to Cartography. In today's video, I'll show you 5 stylish signature ideas with the letter B. Each design will use real names starting with B, so you can easily adapt these styles for your own signature. First, let's design the signature of Barkat from Bangladesh. Here I will use small top loop of letter B with a big bottom loop, upward curve letter ARKAT in the inner part of the curve. Now let's design the signature of Benjamin from UK. Here I will use letter B finished with an infinity sign in the lower part, AMIN in a compressed form under the infinity sign. Now let's design the signature of Bella from Australia. Here I will use letter B with an extended loop in the left side of lower part, ELLA in a compressed style. Finish the letter A with formation of a loop in upper side. Finally finished with a line under the whole signature. Now let's design the signature of Bharat from India. Here I will use a sharp-edged letter B with a geometric style HARAT in the lower part and an upward slanted line finished with a dot. Now let's design the signature of Bhavana from India. Here I will use the full name in italic lowercase letter style. The last letter finishing with an upper loop and a wave shape from right to left in the lower part. So we created 5 different signature styles today with the letter B, Bharat, Benjamin, Bella, Barkat and Bhavana. If you enjoyed this design, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Next, I'll create signature styles with the letter C, so stay tuned. You can also check my full A to Z signature playlist for more names.